उम्रे दराज मांग के लाई थी 4 दिन। उम्रे दराज मांग के लाई थी 4 दिन। 2 आरज़ू में कट गए, 2 इंतजार में। For a long life I begged, and only 4 days was what I could negotiate, 2 of which I spent in pining and 2 in wait. This is a sher by Simab Akbarabadi Sahab. The sher has often been misattributed to Bahadur Shah Zafar, and that is perhaps because of the tragic life of the last Mughal Badshah. The sher was also used in a ghazal in a biopic of Bahadur Shah Zafar. Simab Akbarabadi's body of work is vast. He brought in new themes and new composition to Urdu literature, thus enabling a new era in the world of Urdu literature. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.